Woodworking is an art of precision. Whether you're building a picture frame, cabinet, or box, perfect 90-degree joints make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best corner clamps on Amazon that will help you perfect your woodworking joints and take your craftsmanship to the next level. Starting off strong, let's talk about the BESSEY WS-3+2 K-CB angle clamp, one of the most professional-grade tools available for corner clamping. This clamp features a die-cast aluminum body with plastic-coated jaws that are built to withstand regular use in both DIY and commercial environment. What sets it apart is its ability to self-adjust and secure boards of different thicknesses without slipping out of alignment. This is a huge advantage when working with uneven or irregularly cut material. It's a favorite among experienced woodworkers for assembling cabinet frames, drawers, and boxes with pinpoint accuracy. While it's priced slightly higher than budget models, the reliability and versatility it offers make it a worthwhile investment for serious woodworkers. Next on the list is the CASIMR 90-degree corner clamp 4-pack, a fantastic value option that punches well above its price point. These clamps are compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use thanks to their spring-loaded mechanism, which allows for quick, one-handed operation. They work with material thicknesses ranging from 3/16 inch to 3/4 inch, making them ideal for small projects like picture frames, birdhouses, or craft boxes. They won't deliver the same force as a screw-style clamp, but they make up for it in speed and convenience. These are great for beginners or casual DIYers looking for a practical solution without a big upfront cost. For those who want durability and control in a mid-range price bracket, the LEJOSTOL 2-pack aluminum corner clamps are an excellent pick. These clamps are made of solid aluminum alloy, which provides a balance between lightweight and rugged strength. What makes them unique is the adjustable swing jaw, which lets you clamp materials at various angles, not just 90 degrees, while keeping the pieces stable during drilling, gluing, or nailing. With a 4.6-star rating from satisfied users, they're especially useful in cabinetry, furniture making, and welding applications, where you need something that can handle stress without deforming. If you want reliable performance for medium to large projects, this set is a strong contender. Coming in fourth is the WETOLS Corner Clamp 4-pack, which is currently one of the best-selling angle clamps on Amazon. These clamps are widely loved for their consistent clamping force and reliable 90-degree alignment. Each unit features high-quality plastic and steel construction, providing both strength and ease of handling. The WETOLS set is especially effective for repetitive tasks, such as assembling multiple drawer boxes or picture frames, as you can clamp all corners simultaneously and glue or nail them together with confidence. For hobbyists and home woodworkers who regularly build frames or small furniture, this kit offers unbeatable value. Rounding out our list is the Alec Tools 90-degree corner clamps 2-pack, which stands out for its ergonomic design and added accessory. These clamps are crafted from aluminum and feature comfortable rubberized handles that reduce fatigue during extended use. They also come with included corner clips, helping to further stabilize joints during assembly. Users praise their grip strength and precision, which makes them ideal for fine woodworking tasks like cabinet doors or custom shelves. If comfort and ease of handling matter to you, especially for long clamping sessions, this set from Alec Tools is well worth considering. Thanks for watching. You'll find the links to all 5 corner clamps in the description below, so check them out and take your next project to the next level.